if you're going to do banking and you are on your laptop and you are working from a public Wi-Fi, the best practice is to connect to the Wi-Fi, then connect immediately to your VPN, then launch your web browsers. Sometimes you will have to launch a web browser to connect to a public VPN. That's fine. Just don't log into anything. Don't put any passwords into anything until your VPN is connected. Setup should be fairly straightforward. It's just going to be like installing an app on your phone, installing an application on your computer, your personal computer, your laptop, your desktop, whatever it is that you use, and then learning how the system works. I would suggest getting the documentation from your VPN company, watching their training videos, installing the apps, and take an afternoon and just learn how to connect to it and disconnect to it, connect to it and disconnect to it. See how you like it to run. Maybe even take your cell phone out. If your cell phone is the main device you're going to use your VPN on, maybe go on a hike, and then before you start your hike, turn on your VPN, hike halfway, or no, keep your VPN off, hike halfway into, hike to your destination, turn your VPN on and hike back, and see how much of your battery it eats and the difference between the first half and the second half. And that will tell you how much more battery consumption you'll get. Yeah, I think that is about it. So the keys to remember about a VPN setup is that 1, it's just a shield to keep people from looking at your data. 2, the initial connection is unsecured, and then when you launch and run your VPN, it is then running on your system, generally speaking, if you are connecting to public Wi-Fi systems. This is really good also if you're going into foreign countries and you need to manage your finances or connect to the internet. Use a VPN. Remember, it acts like a tunnel. People can tell that your data is moving, so it doesn't make you invisible, but all they're going to see is a wall. And that wall is made out of encryption. I didn't really get into this that much, but you're going to hear encryption a lot when you're shopping for VPNs. Let me explain what encryption is.